Hey guys, Steve here. Today I'm going to be fixing my motorized bicycle. So I have 180 miles on this bike so far, and it decided to crap out on me. I was riding to work, got about a mile from home, and it just shut down, and I have not been able to get it started ever since. Luckily, I was able to pedal home, so it was not a problem. Now, I believe it is the CDI that actually crapped out. The CDI is actually what runs the spark plug. So I went through everything I could think of. I checked the carburetor. That was perfectly fine. I took the spark plug out and checked for compression right inside the hole. There was plenty of compression. When I looked at the spark plug was very soft. Like there wasn't a bright spark coming out of it, and it wasn't constant when I would just push the bike. I would push the bike with the engine engaged. And normally you can see if there's a spark there. There is an occasional spark. So originally I went out and I got a new spark plug. I tried that out and still did not work. So I got the new CDI in the mail, so I'm going to cut this one out and throw in the new one, and then we'll see if the bike runs. And if so, we'll go for a little bike ride. So it was just as simple as cutting out the old one and putting the new one in. I just use zip ties instead of the screws and other hardware. It's just a lot easier to put things on. You can actually put it where you want. And then it's good to have extra zip ties too to make sure all your cables and wires are not touching the engine, otherwise they'll melt through. Now while I'm at it, I'm going to fix the master link in my chain. Another YouTuber commented that my master link is actually on backwards. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, and I'm going to do a quick fix. So right here is my master link. This is what actually keeps the two chains together. Now the chain will go upwards. Well, now right here, this is the open end. The open end actually should be down here. That way, if the chain is spinning and this gets hooked on something, it could easily rip the chain out. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to flip that around. There, now the closed end is on the top and the bottom end is on the bottom. So now as the wheel is spinning upwards, spinning this way, if this end gets hit, it will not kick off that master link lock. So let's go ahead and test out this bike. Let's turn on our gas, come down here, put up our choke, and we'll come around to the other side here. And we'll push this button twice, put some fuel into the carburetor. All right, that was a nice 3-mile ride. This CDI definitely works now, and the bike definitely works. So that is awesome. So the 3 things that you need to get a bike going are you need fuel, you need compression, and you need spark. So check those things out if you're having problems getting your bike going. Make sure there are no air leaks as well. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned. In the next couple weeks, I got another bike I'm going to be building. So stay tuned, and we'll build another bike soon. Later, guys.